Question 5. The estimated number of Bengal tigers increased from 3200 in 2010 to 3890 in 2016. The number increased by R% every year. Find the value of R. Now, this question is tricky because when they say the number increased by a certain percent every year, it's talking about compounded increase. Okay, but for Emath, so far, we didn't really learn about this compound increase. What we do learn, however, a similar concept is your compound interest. Okay, but actually we can just apply the same thing, okay, for this question, which also means we just take the compound interest formula and we just apply for this question. Now, the compound interest formula, okay, is given in the formula sheet, okay, attached in the O-level paper, and this is the one, okay. All right, so let's get this out. All right, the total amount is equals to the principal, bracket 1 plus R over 100 to the power n, whereby n is your period. Now, your total. All right, so from 3200, it becomes 3890. So in total, you are left with 3890 at the end of the period. Principal is what number you started off from, and you started at 3200, right? Okay, 1 plus R over 100. You're supposed to find the R. So R will be unknown for now. Okay, period. N is the period. So since this is every year, we are looking at how many years that have passed. All right, so from 2010 to 2016. All right, that is how many years that have passed. Okay, 2011, 2012, all right, 2013, 2014, 2015, and 2016. When we look at how many years that have passed, we are looking at the interval, right? 2010 to 2011 is 1 year that have passed. So 1, 2, 3, and then we have 4, 5, 6. Okay? Another way is just 16 minus 2010. Alright, just get 6 years. That will be faster. Alright, so we have 6 years like this. Okay, first thing, because here is times. So opposite of times is divide, right? So I will take 3890 divided by 3200 equals to 1 plus R over 100 to the power of 6. Now, the opposite of power 6. Opposite of power 6 is basically, I take this part here, I take 1 over 6. Okay, that's always the opposite. Alright, so now what happened? Okay, I don't have to key in calculator yet, okay, because that's not my final answer. So what I'm going to do next is I am going to bring over the 1. Okay, so if I bring over the 1, I'm going to minus 1, okay, and I'm left with R over 100. Alright, so now the last step is to get rid of the divide 100. Opposite of divide 100 is times 100. Alright, so if you're uncomfortable because you're feeling, oh, too many numbers here, you can actually just use your calculator a little bit first, no worries. So if you key in the calculator currently, alright, this part here, you will be getting 0.0330787, so on and so forth. And now you need to times 100. Okay, so your R, okay, remember what I'm doing is I'm taking this value and then I multiply by 100. Straight away in your calculator, you will get 3.307837. And since this is not an exact number, I will round off to 3SF. So 3SF, I will look at this, means I round up 3.31. So my R is 3.31.